keep it going. I'm on my phone, she know what she do. When she tell me come on, her booty is strong, got me in the zone. Like she get like this, she wanna ride, ride, ride. I guess it's alright, ride, ride. She want it every time. I do the kitty right.
What is up? What is poppin', T&M Nation? It's your girl,
Lamborghini Mercy.
Mercedes. And today, T&M Nation is coming back to you another video. I don't know why I'm so goofy today. But, alright, so sorry I've been absent for like a week or two. I didn't post last week, so. But I've been really busy with work. But today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and I'm going to be doing a Q&A for y'all to get to know me, since y'all really don't know me. I think y'all know me, but y'all don't know me. So I'm going to do a little Q&A for y'all to tell y'all a little bit about myself. And yeah, let's get right into the video. For my unboxing video, I'm going to be doing a review on this company, this fitness company called Just Strong. So their main goal is to motivate and empower women to be as strong as they can be, mentally, physically, emotionally, whatever. So I love their message. They're very encouraging, y'all. They have a Facebook page, they have an Instagram, they have like you can literally talk about anything on their Facebook page. Like if you're going through something, the girls on there, the women on there would take the time to actually text you back or DM you or whatever you back. If you're in the, if you're actually following a page, they'll take the time out of their busy days to text you back or DM you back or message you back and to check up on you, see how you're doing, whatever. They're based out of the UK. Gang, gang, gang. Let's just get into the video. I have a promo code if y'all happen to like this, some of their clothing. I'm gonna put it right here. This is what their packaging will come in. I didn't open it yet. I opened this bag, but I didn't actually open, because I want to do an unboxing. I want to give you my honest opinion on it. I'm gonna be trying everything on. But yeah, so it came in this. The shipping, they literally customized everything. So it took like a week and a half. The shipping wasn't that expensive. So yeah, I bought some, these are so cute. I bought some gray, and it's light gray and dark gray. Ooh, these are cute. Light gray, well, dark gray to light gray leggings. They're super soft, very stretchy, just strong. They're so cute, guys. And I'm gonna be trying these on. Also, I have again, I just opened the package to make sure it's the right color and stuff. So I also have this gray like zip up crop top jacket. They give you little candy in there. It comes with candy. They both had a thank you card in it with a smiley face. So cute. Also on the back of it, it tells you their mission and it tells you their Facebook, Instagram, and website. I'm gonna eat that right now if it's nasty. But yeah, y'all, this is gonna be an honest review. This is my first time doing an unboxing / review, so bear with me. It's good. They weren't a matching set, but I got a gray crop top hoodie in a gray, lighter gray color that matched the bottom of it, and it's super cute. I got this in a medium, and it's super cute. Look, it got it. Just Strong, zips up. It's super soft on the inside. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, y'all, but yeah, go ahead and check them out. I absolutely love how they look on me. The material of them is so soft, it's so comfortable. I can't wait to work out in it. If you want to give them a try, if you want to support their cause, I'll leave the link, like I said, in the description box. Also, don't forget, if you want 10% off, I'll give you the promo code. You're gonna need it. Alright, so okay guys, so now the next portion of this video is the Q&A. I have my handy dandy notebook just to keep me on track of what I'm supposed to be, you know, talking about, because I get off track really easily. I'm answering 5 questions. Y'all didn't really give them to me, but I feel like y'all should know this about me since y'all don't really know me. So, and why would you want to see someone that y'all don't really know? But yeah, so I will do a more in-depth Q&A a little later on. First question is, where am I from? I am from the South. I am from Alabama, you know. I was born in Texas though, so I guess I'm from Texas. But I wasn't there long. So I'm from Alabama. Yes. Just so you know. And I'm already getting off track. But anyway, okay, the second question is, why did I join the Air Force? So, y'all, I did not want to join the Air Force at first. My grandma, actually, when I was in, throughout high school, my grandma was like, you're going to join the Air Force. I know you're going to join the Air Force. I was like, no, I'm not. I'm going to play basketball. I'm going to go to college. I'm in college right now. But I was like, I'm going to play basketball. I was really focused on basketball until, my senior year. But, yeah, I really wanted to play basketball in college. Didn't work out. Yeah, my plan was to go to UAB, which is a medical school in Birmingham. It's expensive. That crap is expensive. So I was like, skirt. I didn't have that much money because I couldn't really work. That's another story that I'll get into. It's a long story. But yeah, I joined the Air Force because I really wanted to have a stable job. I wanted to have my own. I didn't want to stay in my mom's house. I didn't want to, the people that I've talked to now that I went to high school with, they're still in my hometown. They're still in my town. So I'm like, I don't want to do that. I want to go. I want to adventure. I want to get out. I just want to have my own. I want to have my own apartment, which I do now. Thank God. I want to have my own car, which I do now. Thank God. I want to go to school, which I'm in school right now. So yeah, I really wanted to just have my own. I wanted to make my own money. I didn't want to ask my mom for everything. And yes, I could have worked there, but I could not. I feel like I would have gotten so much trouble if I would have stayed home, because it's not that much to do in my small town with a graduation of 70-something people, 80-something people. It was low, okay? And no, I cannot. So yeah, I joined the Air Force because I just wanted to go. I wanted to travel. I wanted to go to college, most importantly, because I need somebody to pay for my college, which I'm going, like I said, I'm doing college right now, so plus, win-win, you know. Question number 3. What am I going to school for? What am I accomplishing with my life? What do I wish to accomplish with my life? So, my ultimate goal is to be an OBGYN, you know. I'm currently pursuing my degree in biology. So, I'm going to school right now. I'm going to, just a small community college to get my basics out the way. It's right by base, so it makes it very easy. So yeah, I'm doing biology to further my education and go to med school. So I'm just praying that I actually get in and everything, and praying that I finish my degree. I have a timeline. I have goals. I have dreams. So right now the Air Force is helping me achieve those dreams and much more. So I'm blessed. I thank God each and every day. I know it's going to be challenging because with my job, I'm always moving. I'm always going on TDYs. I'll tell you more about the Air Force another story time. It's very difficult to do my labs and everything. So I'm thinking about cross training into like a either medical AFSC or just another AFSC, but preferably medical, because I feel like I'll have more experience, you know, being in a clinic. Question number 4. Why did I start YouTube? So this is something that I've always wanted to do. I just haven't had the courage to do it. I guess I just wanted somebody to do it with me, aka Trent. I've always wanted to do YouTube. I've looked up to a lot of people. I put their names, like they're positive role models, and I just want to be a role model for somebody. I just want to do it for fun. Trent and I decided just to do this for fun. That's why I decided to do this. I know it's gonna be difficult with me going to school, but it's working out right now, so why not keep it going? I can show you my journey. You'll see. You'll see. But yeah, that's why I started YouTube. It's just something I've always wanted to do. I don't know why I waited so long. It's just a time in the season, I guess. But yeah. Alright, question number 5. So, what type of videos could y'all expect to see from me? So, as you know, every Thursday I'm doing individual videos. Trent is doing individual videos on Tuesday. So on Thursdays, you can see makeup videos. You can see, like I did today, review, unboxing, review on makeup, review on anything y'all actually want to see, honestly. Because, so it's going to be makeup, beauty, clothing, how-to stuff, hair videos, pranks. So be looking out for that. I got something planned. Just be looking out, y'all. Like, I have so much stuff in this book that I just want to share with y'all. So look out for story times. Like, it's about to get real. But that's it for the Q&A. This gives you a little insight of what I'm going to be doing in this channel on this day. Yo, I can't get over this. Y'all, I cannot get over this, though. Just Strong did it. Just Strong did this. But yeah, y'all, just be looking out. Next week, I'm planning on doing a DIY vanity. It's not going to be IKEA. That's too expensive. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing. I don't have time for that. I don't have money for that. It's getting kind of dark. It's getting kind of cloudy. I hope this video turns out okay. But it's about to rain, y'all. Anyway, sorry. I hope y'all like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and comment in the comment section what videos you would like to see next. Do what it do, and I'ma do it too. Do what it do, and I'ma do it. See y'all Monday.
Rapper, have them cooking from my glow. But God sent a rapper, make it so burn slow. Best thing about me, I am not you. I know who I am.